have this kind of like, nah, she'll be right, mentality. When that flood happened, particularly for those that were affected in the West, it was an eye-opener. And I'd hate to think that it will have to take another major event for people to wake up, to build resilience. I think we can be resilient today rather than waiting for an event.
My huge takeout just from today is when you find something on special and you see, that's an amazing deal, you can actually buy it and then you can basically divide that out. It's almost like, yes, think bulk buy, but then you divvy it out. And honestly, I'm now going to be looking at things in a different light and going, hey, if I just buy that bulk, then I can split it up and far out. That cupboard, that pantry is full. And how much have I saved?
Resilience is knowing how to hold space in a crisis, be able to not give up and lose that pressure, right, but stay with it, and then be able to push through that hard times. Be prepared, be ready to take on whatever comes your way. That's what resilient means to me.
That means that we're able to preserve, that we're able to have food on the shelf when there's a disaster or when we don't have money in our pocket or when someone's sick in the family. They're able to go to the shelf and get food. And the great thing about it is it's got no chemicals in it. The kids can heat up a bottle of preserved spaghetti balls by putting it in a... So it's amazing, but there's lots of other ways. So really this is just the scratch on the surface.